Imagine for one moment what our world would be like without colours. Choosing colours should not be a gamble. It should be a conscious decision. Colours have a meaning and a function.
So I have this brown on my couch back home.
How can we make conscious and successful colour decisions when there are millions of colours to choose between?
Maybe if we start with this one.
Your customer would like a kind of sky blue that matches a fabric they've already got. But what colour is sky blue? And what kind of blue would work really well with the colour of the fabric? How do we choose and communicate colour?
It's a mix between.
Is there a shortcut to creating a colour scheme for an excellent design?
So let's have
These are some of the reasons that we need a colour language that everyone understands. This is why NCS, Natural Colour System, was researched and developed. It describes every colour we can perceive. Let's take a closer look at how it works.
Looks really good. Yeah. Like it.
In the colour circle, you'll find yellow, red, blue and green as the reference colours, or as they're scientifically described, the elementary colours. Let's take our sky blue colour and define what we see. First, we need to define what kind of blue it is. We have to find which hue it belongs to. As you can see, a blue colour can be greenish, blue only, or reddish. Our sky blue is slightly reddish. It's a blue with 10% redness and 90% blueness. The hue is called R90B, as we read things clockwise, from red to blue. A pure blue would be B only. Now that we know the hue of our colour, we need to describe its nuance. All the colours in this triangle have the same hue, R90B, but differences in blackness, whiteness and chromaticness. Our sky blue is not so black, only 20%, but it's quite strong or chromatic, 40%. This means that we have a colour that has 20% of blackness and 40% of chromaticness. It's a red colour with 90% blue, 20/40 R90B. Now we can discuss this colour, and we can choose any colour that exists and place it in this colour space. This is the first important step in colour design, to understand the colour you work with. From here, our intuitive colour inspiration is becoming rational. Let's put theory into practice. We've probably all faced the challenge of finding colours that match. Of course, there are many ways to find colour harmonies. One way is to combine colours that have something in common, for example, a similarity in hue or nuance. You can also match other factors, such as chromaticness, whiteness, and blackness. What happens if you want to use this colour on an exterior? It's important to understand that the colour you choose won't look the same when applied on a larger surface and in daylight. Our colour will therefore look more whitish and more chromatic. This means that when choosing an exterior colour, we need to pick a darker and less chromatic colour. No one knows how to colorize your design better than you. Our intention is to offer you great tools for great color concepts. Visit ncscolor.com/design.